Hello everyone. On this day, that is today, 1st July 2020, I would like to thank each and everyone who has supported me till date, because today Saraswat Tutorials, your own SRT, has completed its 8 years. The journey down the line was a roller coaster, ups and downs. These are the part of life. But your support, your continuous support helped me to reach till this point. And I hope this support continues forever. So thanks a lot each and everyone. I would like to thank my parents, my family members, my wife, my students, each and everyone. They were phenomenal. They were the best supporters I could have ever get throughout my life. So this is all about Saraswat Tutorials this 8 years, and on this occasion Saraswat Tutorials has decided to launch some new things for enhanced learning throughout the July month. That is, each and every Wednesday of this month you will get something new to hear. You will get something new has been launched, which will help you to learn in a much better way, in much easier way, I must say. You will get to know about the concepts related to my subjects. Maybe it may be economics, it may be law, it may be cost, it may be tax. Gradually you will get to know each and everything. But we are going to launch in such a way so that everything becomes easy for you. So today, that is 1st of July, Wednesday, we are going to launch our YouTube channel. The name of the channel will be SRT. So kindly you can go and search SRT. You can share, subscribe and like the channel as well. Now the thing is, you will find that what will be different in this channel, because YouTube channel is such a thing which is being launched by many of the concerns. But what different we are going to do with this channel is that we are going to present our different chapters of different subjects in such a manner that it will be a type of revision for you people. That means if you are going to an exam and you did not get a time to revise that subject, or you did not get the time to revise that chapter, then what you can do is, just you have your smartphones, generally each and everyone has. So you can just go through my channel, whatever chapter you require, just go to that chapter, check it out that what is given in that will be a simple revision for you. At least if you have missed that chapter to revise properly, it will help you to create that chapter in your mind in such a manner that you will be very helpful in your examinations. So this is what our channel is going to present, and rest of the things we are going to declare in a very simple manner down the line. So please wait for some time. धीरे धीरे आपको सब कुछ मिलता रहेगा. बट तब तक के लिए थैंक यू सो मच फॉर सपोर्टिंग. दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट लॉन्च. वेट कि और आने वाले 4 हफ्तों में आपको हर वेडनेसडे कुछ ना कुछ लॉन्चेस जरूर मिलेंगे. एंड जस्ट वेट फॉर दैट. डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब आवर यूट्यूब चैनल. एंड सेकेंडली, if you have any doubts, if you have any queries regarding any of my YouTube videos or my concepts, kindly contact me. You feel free to contact us. The contact number is given on the screen. So thanks again everyone. This was a great support from each and everyone till date. I hope this continues forever. Your love, your feelings for me, these all were superb. Thank you so much.